Have you ever craved the rich, creamy goodness of butter chicken from your favorite Indian restaurant? Guess what? You can easily recreate this iconic dish in your own kitchen. With simple techniques and readily available ingredients, you can master the art of making restaurant-style butter chicken at home. Get ready to impress your family and friends with your culinary skills as you embark on this delicious journey. This recipe will guide you through each step. From marinating the chicken to simmering the flavorful gravy, you'll discover the secrets to achieving that authentic taste. So put on your apron, gather your ingredients, and let's get cooking. Before we begin our culinary adventure, let's ensure we have all the necessary ingredients. For the marinade, you will need boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces, yogurt, lemon juice, ginger and garlic paste, Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, and salt to taste. For the rich and creamy gravy, gather the following: butter, onions, finely chopped, tomatoes, pureed, green chilies, slit, kasuri methi, dried fenugreek leaves, heavy cream, and fresh cilantro chopped. Marination is a crucial step in this recipe. It allows the chicken to soak up all the wonderful flavors of the marinade. In a bowl, combine the yogurt, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, and salt. Mix well to create a smooth marinade. Add the chicken pieces to the marinade, ensuring they are well coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, for maximum flavor. The longer you marinate, the more tender and flavorful the chicken will become. During marination, the yogurt helps tenderize the chicken, while the spices infuse it with their aromatic essence. Section 4. Cooking the chicken. Grilling, baking, and achieving smoky goodness. Now let's cook the marinated chicken to perfection. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius, or prepare your grill for medium-high heat. If grilling, thread the chicken onto skewers. If baking, spread the chicken in a single layer on a baking sheet. Grill or bake the chicken for 15 to 20 minutes, or until cooked through. For a smokier flavor, you can char the chicken lightly on the grill or under the broiler for a few minutes. Section 5. Crafting the creamy gravy, a symphony of spices and flavors. While the chicken cooks, let's prepare the star of the show, the creamy butter chicken gravy. In a large pan or pot, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and sauté until they turn a light golden brown. Next, add the ginger garlic paste and sauté for a minute until fragrant. Now, add the pureed tomatoes and green chilies to the pan. Cook the tomato mixture for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until the oil starts to separate. Now add the chili powder, turmeric powder, and garam masala to the pan. Sauté the spices for a minute to release their flavors. Section 6. The art of blending, creating a velvety smooth gravy. Once the gravy has simmered and the flavors have melded, it's time to blend it to a smooth consistency. Allow the gravy to cool slightly, then carefully transfer it to a blender or use an immersion blender to puree until smooth. Once blended, strain the gravy through a fine mesh sieve to remove any bits of onion or tomato. This step ensures a silky smooth texture. Return the strained gravy to the pan. Section 7. Final touches and serving, presenting your culinary masterpiece. Now it's time to bring everything together. Add the cooked chicken to the creamy tomato gravy. Let the chicken simmer in the gravy for a few minutes to absorb all the flavors. Reduce the heat to low and stir in the heavy cream. Be careful not to boil the gravy once the cream is added. Finally, sprinkle in the kasuri methi and give it a gentle stir. Garnish your butter chicken with fresh cilantro and a dollop of butter if desired. Serve this culinary masterpiece hot with naan bread, rice, or any Indian bread of your choice. Now that you've created this restaurant-quality butter chicken at home, don't forget to share your culinary triumph with friends and family. Post pictures of your creation on social media and tag us. We'd love to see your butter chicken masterpieces. Happy cooking!